Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Simplii Financial Cashback Visa Card. We'll go through the overview, the main features, the pricing and fees, the pros and cons, and who this card is best for. And finally, we'll see whether this card really deserves the title of one of the best cashback cards in Canada right now. The Simplii Financial Cashback Visa Card is one of those credit cards that has quietly built a very strong reputation in Canada, especially among people who want rewards without the stress of paying annual fees. This card is issued by Simplii Financial, which is a division of CIBC, one of Canada's largest and most established banks. So while Simplii operates as an online bank, you're still backed by a major financial institution, which gives many users confidence when it comes to security and reliability. What makes this card stand out immediately is its focus on everyday spending categories. Instead of giving complicated travel points or rotating reward systems that are difficult to keep up with, this card keeps things simple. You spend money on normal daily activities like dining, coffee shops, groceries, gas, and recurring bills, and you earn cash back in return. So overall, this is a card that targets people who want strong everyday cashback rewards, no annual fee, easy to understand benefits, a simple digital banking experience, and reliable rewards without complicated systems. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. High cashback on restaurants and coffee shops. The biggest selling point of this card is the restaurant category. The Simplii Cashback card gives users up to 4% cashback on eligible restaurants, bar, and coffee shop purchases, up to the annual spending cap. And this is honestly one of the strongest dining reward rates that you will find on a no-fee card in Canada. Cashback on groceries, gas, and bills. The card also gives elevated rewards on groceries, gas, drugstore purchases, and recurring bill payments. This is another reason why many people use this as their primary everyday spending card. No annual fee. Yes, this is one of the strongest advantages of the card. The primary card holder pays zero annual fee, and additional card holders can also be added at no cost. That means every dollar of cashback that you earn is pure value without needing to recover yearly membership costs. Next is the mobile wallet support. This card supports Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, which makes contactless payments easy and convenient. That's a small feature, but in everyday use, it matters a lot, especially in the modern generation. Purchase protection and extended warranty. This card includes purchase security and extended warranty coverage. So eligible purchases may receive extended manufacturer warranty protection, coverage against theft or accidental damage for a limited time. And for a no-fee card, that actually is pretty decent. Next is fraud protection and security features. Simplii also includes chip and PIN security, real-time fraud alerts, online account management, which helps users monitor suspicious activity quickly. That's especially important today with rising digital fraud and online shopping. Now, what is the pricing of this card? As earlier mentioned, the card has no annual fee, which is great. You can use the card anywhere where Visa is accepted, whether in person or online. What are the pros and cons of using this card? Excellent dining and restaurant cashback rates, no annual fee as earlier mentioned, strong everyday spending categories, it's beginner friendly, it has mobile wallet support, and purchase protection is included. There's also low income required compared to premium cards. It's also interesting to know that there's a special offer currently on the website. When you refer a friend, you earn $125 when they open an eligible account using your referral link. And they will also get a $50 as a welcome bonus when they send their one-time transfer and activate their no-fee checking accounts through the New to Canada banking program, which is amazing. Now, what are the cons? There's limited premium travel perks and is not available in all regions. The interest rates can also be high if you carry a balance. So having considered all this, is the Simplii Financial Cashback Visa Card actually one of the best cashback cards in Canada? For many people, I would say honestly yes, because this card succeeds at the most important thing a cashback card should do, to reward normal everyday spending without making users pay excessive annual fees. Of course, it's not perfect, but for everyday Canadians who simply want a practical, rewarding, and low-maintenance cashback card, the Simplii Financial Cashback Visa absolutely deserves consideration. And because it's a no annual fee product, it delivers impressive value. And that's it on the review of the Simplii Visa Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Tangerine Money Back Credit Card, BMO Cashback MasterCard, and Scotiabank Momentum Visa Infinite Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.